Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on June 21, 2023, 4-star Sudoku. 9th row and 10th row, we have pair numbers 3 and 8. So 3 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We'll confirm later. Column G and 7th grid, we have pair numbers 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 7th grid, we are ready for 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. It will come in another cells. We will confirm later. 10th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 8th grade, 7 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then in column H, 9th row, we have pair numbers 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column J, we already have 1. 7 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column B, column C, and second row, we have 1. 7 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then third row, we have 1. 7 can't come these cells. 1 will come in another these cells. We will confirm later. Third grade, column D, we have pair numbers 5 and 7. So 5 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column B, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column B, column D, we have pair numbers 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B and fifth row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 8th grade and third row, we have pair numbers 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Second row, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 8, 9. Column D, column I, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. In second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. It will come in another cells. We will confirm later. Third grade and 6th grade, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 9th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. It will come in another cells. We will confirm later. 9th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 8th row, only 1 number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Column D, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column D, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. Column I, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. The 9th grade, 10th row, only 1 number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. 4th grade, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. 7th row, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. 4th row, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. Third row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Third row, we have 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column B, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column F, only 1 number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Then second grade, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Then third row, only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Then third grid and fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. Seventh row, we have 8. So it can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Seventh row, column E, we have pair numbers 5 and 8. So 5 and 8 can't come in these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Fifth row, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then column G, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 6, 7. Seventh row, we have 4 and 6. So 4 and 6 can't come in this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Fifth row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then column E, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Then seventh row, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column I, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column I, we have 8. So it can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Fifth row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then column I, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Sixth row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.